multi-nano pilot line is based on the co-extrusion. So you are able to produce a film with thousands of layers of nano-range thicknesses. And the goal is to really obtain a film with a lot of layers thanks to the multiplying elements. Pellets are getting into feeders in the extruders, then it's melted, the polymer flows are getting on top of each other, and then it's divided again on top of each other, and that's how you get a film with thousands of layers. So the polymer is getting out in a molten state, it's getting on a chill roll to get chilled, and then it's going through a system, and then it's getting into the roll. What we are used to produce are films of maximum 100 meters in length. And in width, we can go through 300 up to 700 millimeters. In thickness, it's from 25 to 250 micrometers. Films used in packaging, usually to get good gas barrier properties. For example, if you take the example of tubes that will be used for your toothpaste. So the idea of this multi-nano pilot line is to be able to get good gas barrier properties with polymer materials that are recycling or biodegradability in the end.